should be Z-axis on this side plate, and how I check that. So you need to check on this side and on this side, and you need to use 300, that's 30 kilos. So like you lifting 30 kilos, and it should be 0.005 millimeters, if that is value, that's good. And I first had 0 and I loosen it to adjust, so this is when it's loose. So one notch is 2 microns. 2 notches is okay, or 3 or 2 or 3. This is not okay. So this is not okay. Why is blurry? So this is idea. So you need to take this and you adjust with this tapered gib. So inside is one, and here is another one, and also here is one, and on upper side is one. And now after some adjusting, so zoom, I have 6 microns, and it should be 5. So I will take this and tighten it a little more. So, and now check. So let's say this is good on this side, so now need to do same for when this is approximately ends here, same as this. So let's try to ride it a little bit. So after some small ride, let's check again. So it's so bright that and so now I need to wait to fall down. So 20, and so this is good for this side. Now need to do that for this side, and after that need to do for vertical a lot of work. So I made one mark here 4 centimeters from end where this part can come, so it is approximately here, so there is no sense to measure here. You need to measure where tool changer comes, so where is the normal wear of slide. So also I made here from I move this to far right, and from that point I measured 4 centimeters, and I will measure in this point and in this point play. So for this side I mounted this screw. This is all connected with tubes and sensors, so I'm holding it like this, and over the hole I will push it up. I don't know how to produce 300 Newton of force other than this. So let's see what will happen. So I measured on this side, on this edge, and on that side I'm measuring here, because I can mount my holder here. So now we'll see what will show. So try to focus. So I'm moving wood, and this is too much, so it needs to be only 3 lines, because one line is 2 micrometers or 0.002 millimeters, so this is too much. So after some adjusting, so when I'm moving, so I don't know where it focus. We'll try this mode. So this is manual focus, so we'll try this. And I can tell you that motor is hot. You do not want to keep your hand on it. You can touch it, but it will burn your hand definitely. So let's see. This metal is not hot, and this is the point of this plastic part. So let's see what will happen when I twist the. So I have two lines, and that is 4 microns. That is okay. Now I need to ride it left and right to see how it looks. Okay. For this you need to have MPG, so you can come behind the machine and ride it. So this is why I bought this, because it had big long cable. So I will now ride it left and right. Okay. And so I ride it left and right, and here comes the stick. I do not see what I'm doing. Okay. And let's see now. So measurement was not good because slide did not settle down. So I will need to tighten it more or ride it a little more to see. Okay, after ride I need to come again. I do not see what I'm doing. So here it is how it looks. So 2 lines are good, 3 maximum, more than that is not good. So this is not good. Need to tighten gips more. After more adjusting, I will ride it right, left. Okay, so now it's in this position and I need to put my wood in hole. Okay, now I will make movement. So this is okay. So one more time. Movement, it's okay. So this is how I did, and I'm just made for Z axis. So one point is here and another is here.